Welcome to this lesson on GCP Regions and Zones. In this video, you'll learn how Google Cloud Platform organizes its worldwide data center network. Understanding regions and zones is fundamental to deploying applications on GCP with high performance, reliability, and availability. Let's explore how Google Cloud's global infrastructure works and why it matters for your cloud deployments. A region is a specific geographic location where Google Cloud Platform hosts its resources. Think of it as a large area like a city or a state. For example, US-East 1 represents a region on the east coast of the United States, while Europe-West 2 represents a region in Western Europe. Regions are strategically placed around the world to reduce latency, which means your applications can serve users faster by running in a region that's geographically close to them. A zone is a deployment area within a region that has its own isolated infrastructure. Each region contains multiple zones, typically 3 or more. These zones are physically separate data centers with independent power, cooling, and networking. The key benefit is isolation. If one zone experiences a failure due to hardware issues or natural disasters, the other zones in the same region continue operating normally. This design protects your applications from single points of failure. Let's look at how regions and zones work together with a concrete example. The region US-Central 1 is located in Iowa. Within this single region, there are multiple zones: US-Central 1-A, US-Central 1-B, US-Central 1-C, and US-Central 1-F. All these zones within the same region are connected by low latency, high bandwidth networks. This means data can move quickly between zones, allowing you to build resilient applications that spread across multiple zones while maintaining fast communication. Google Cloud Platform operates at massive global scale. Currently, GCP has over 40 regions worldwide and over 121 availability zones. This infrastructure spans across the Americas, Europe, Asia-Pacific, and the Middle East. This extensive network gives you the flexibility to deploy applications close to your users anywhere in the world, ensuring low latency and compliance with local data regulations. The region and zone architecture provides 3 major benefits. First, fault tolerance. By deploying your applications across multiple zones, they can survive zone failures automatically. Second, low latency. Serving users from the nearest region ensures faster response times and better user experience. Third, disaster recovery. You can replicate your data across different regions to achieve geographic redundancy, protecting against regional disasters and ensuring business continuity. GCP resources are categorized into 3 deployment types based on their scope. Global resources, like images, snapshots, and VPC networks, are available across all regions. Regional resources, such as subnets, IP addresses, and cloud storage buckets, are tied to a specific region but available across all zones within that region. Zonal resources, including virtual machine instances, persistent disks, and machine types, are deployed in a specific zone. Understanding these types helps you architect applications correctly and plan for availability. Here are 4 essential best practices when working with regions and zones. First, choose nearby regions. Select regions that are geographically close to your users for optimal performance. Second, use multiple zones. Always distribute your workloads across multiple zones within a region to ensure high availability. Third, consider costs. Remember that pricing varies by region based on local infrastructure and energy costs. Fourth, data compliance. Store data in regions that meet your regulatory and compliance requirements, especially for industries with strict data residency laws.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.